The next thing I'm going to show you is something that's very important when you're working with InDesign. It's very important that you create a folder where you collect all of the files associated with your project. Because the way InDesign works is it creates a link between the InDesign project and your image files. And if you move any of those image files, the link will be broken. InDesign won't know where to find it, and you'll have to keep going back and doing what's called relinking. So the way to avoid this problem is to create a folder. In this case, I called it my Photobook. And inside that folder, I have another folder that I've called images. And in there, I've put copies of all of the images I'm going to use for my book. Okay. So now I'll go to InDesign and start my new project by going to File, New, Document. The document preset here is Magcloud 8x8 square, that preset that we installed earlier. I'm going to keep my pages at 20. You can always add or remove pages as needed as your layout grows and changes. Okay, I'm going to click OK. And here is the open project. If I scroll down, you can see all the various pages. And a quick tip, Control-Alt-0 will fill your window with the spread. Okay, so now I'm going to save this before we get started. And I'm going to choose my Photobook folder. And I'm not going to put it in the images folder. I'm going to put it right here in the Photobook folder. And I'm going to call it Photobook. And save. Now let's look at the way that folder is set up. Inside this folder, this is my Photobook folder. Let's go back to the beginning. Desktop, my Photobook. Inside there is the InDesign document and the file folder that has all of the images.